Drake and I have something in common. We both have a motto, but my motto is way better than YOLO, which is you only live once, right? My motto is over deliver. Now, why? Over delivering is like waving Harry Potter's magic wand. It causes good things to happen. Now, I put out my 30-day CRA program only after I was 100% sure it was better than anything else on the market. And because of this, I regularly get feedback like from my students like this. The same over-deliver principle applies to my credit repair business. My team goes above and beyond for every one of my credit repair clients. We have hundreds of clients. What's the result? Clients who thought they might never be able to rent their own place or buy a home are now proud renters and homeowners, right? All of this is bigger than you and me. Lessons on budgeting or building credit are not taught at home and definitely not taught in school. You have knowledge that can make a difference for our community. I hear all the time from people who are scared of starting or growing a credit repair business because they're worried about not being good enough. Hey, Laura. They're scared of letting people down or getting bad reviews. Now, guess what? Making people happy as a business owner is actually quite easy. It's as simple as showing people that you care. So many businesses show us they don't care. They don't pick up the phone, they leave us on hold, and they can't answer simple questions. Do the opposite, and that alone will set you apart. You don't need to be a credit repair expert either. And I can teach you all of my strategies for repairing credit in the 30-day CRA program. Now, if you've been second guessing joining the 30-day CRA program because you're scared of putting yourself out there and not being perfect, take a deep breath. Woosah. You don't need to be able to walk on water. I can teach you my secrets for over-delivering if you join the program. Don't wait either. We've been having some great discussions on these coaching calls about scaling, getting more clients, lead generation, and automation. You don't want to miss this. So go to www.30daycra.com or click the link that you see on your screen for more information. Talk soon. P.S. Making customers happy isn't rocket science. People are looking for you to show empathy and treat them with respect. If you can do those things and you have a passion for helping people, you can succeed in credit repair using the knowledge I teach in the 30-day credit repair agency program. I can't wait to see you win.